Just got some tickets. We're gonna go to the cinema here. But first, most important, we need popcorn.
But I've got a feeling I'm falling for nobody else but you. You caught my eye, and I've got a feeling I'm falling.
We have all the bags all packed, and we're ready to move
to the mansion.
Yeah.
So we're moving to our own house now. 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, sort of kitchen, living room, television. What else do we want?
Next month, a friend of us is also coming here to Thailand from Holland. He was together with Thomas and I in the same school.
There we got Santa Claus. Or most of you people know Santa Claus, but it's like 1 month before Santa Claus comes. He gives all presents to all the kids and his helpers. And here we have Black Pete.
Crazy Pete! Woo, 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 woo.
Today was not a lot of wind, as you can see, so we thought, let's do something else. Let's make a scooter trip.
We are at the southern end of Kaale Bay, overlooking the Sinai mountain.
Yeah man, no mountain behind me.
And we're gonna go to another beautiful spot where it's perfect for mushrooms and other natural shits.
Oh, nice. I like this.
Again, a scooter trip, man. I like this. I like this. And this is even a better one, I think, than the first time, because we have like our own guide, and he's like, yeah, he's a good guy. He knows stuff we don't, so let's do this. We are at the top of the building now, and I'm pretty scared actually, guys. How high are we?
Way too high, man.
Way too fucking high.
Look how it looks like. This is like unfinished part of a hotel.
It's like, it looks like it burned out.
I don't know, man.
Something like that, but it's like really, really high. Okay.
This is absolutely.
I'm gonna show you. Look at it, look at it, look at it, look. I'm not gonna drop the camera, I'm not gonna drop the camera. This is fucking insane. This is insane. If you say, like, if you don't have a problem with heights, this is fine for you, but I have a problem with heights, so I don't like to stand too much on the edge. It's just like scary. But this is really fucking high, you see? God damn it. Okay, now we're gonna fly the drone. Look, here's the drone. We're gonna fly it up.
Up and down, up and oh, no.
mangrove forest, guys. This is actually one of the biggest mangrove forests they have now in Thailand. There are some walking paths through the forest. You can go also by both if you want to. We didn't do it, but it's nice to walk through it and see the nature. There's a lot of wildlife living over here in the forest, like some birds and mostly also crabs in the water. They have some nice viewpoints up at the forest that you can see over the forest, and you can see some of the buildings also and all the nature around it. We just had a really nice trip. Now we're out for dinner.
What? I had a flat tire, man.
This guy, he was like, stop, 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 and then he got like a flat tire. Show us Holland. How is it now in Holland?
This is Holland now, man.
Here, look, guys. This is Holland, and look how we are here. Guys, do you have it a little bit cold? Tell me, how cold is it over here?
I'm fucking sweating, man.
Yeah, how cold is it here?
It's very, very actually comfortable. Actually,
Can you compare with Canada or not?
this is my girlfriend in Canada. Look at her. Look how she's dressed. Latina or?
And there we got some nice food, guys.
There we go. Okay,
perfect.
So this is for all of you guys because you ordered like 2, so we just...
Some onion rings.
Bam! This is
To get the party started, guys. Look at this. Look how good. You're already getting hungry when you see this.
Thanks, man. I'm hungry, man.
Guys, enjoy.
Oh yeah. I'm passing by. Oh yeah.
And some nice pad thai.
Mamma mia. Mamma mia.
Mamma mia. Bellissimo.
Vaffanculo.
Vaffanculo. Costosa.
Hey Stoka, are you okay, man?
It's spicy. It's good. It's good. Pain is good. Chicken, some potatoes, peanuts, pineapple, I think.
Rice. It's coming right.
Pineapple.
Apple pen.
Now I'm gonna.
What do you have inside?
Apple pen.
I
Yeah.
never did this. I'm gonna try this for the first time. Thomas is gonna give me a little piece.
Just take a little bit of like.
I'm gonna take a big one.
Let's see, the first time he's taking massaman.
What's is good.
Massaman?
Massaman.
Massaman curry. Massaman curry. First time.
So good.
Oh, sweet. Oh, the taste, no? Something else, this is something else, guys. You have to come to Thailand. Try this out, motherfuckers. Try this out. Yeah. Wah! Woo!